For our second demonstration of plotting a graph using Geometry Sketchpad, let's look at example 3 from graphing by hand. In this situation, remember, Matt collects some data about throwing a basketball. He recorded in the first column the time in seconds, and the second column the height of the ball in meters from the ground. Our first job is to label our axes and to set our scale. We're now in Geometry Sketchpad and we're ready to label the axes and to set the scale of each axis. First, we'll reorient the center point or the origin. Now remember, the horizontal, we will label this as time in seconds. To label it, we'll use a text function. Time. For our vertical axis, this is height in meters. We're now ready to fix the scale of each axis. Remember, time needs to go up to 3 seconds. So we're going to make it so that the entire screen covers 3 seconds. And there we go. We have 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3. Now if we look at this, our height is not appropriate. We need to go up to a height of 6 meters. So, again, we're going to change the graph. We're going to change the grid form from square grid to rectangular grid. This allows us to have unequal measurements for each of the grid squares. So, let's now change the scale for the height. There we go. So we've got 6 meters just at the top right here. Now we're ready to plot our points. Let's go back and look at our table and look at our first point.